Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. So before I get started with this video, I just want to say, if I look Caucasian, I don't know how to work this camera, you guys. I just got a new camera and I've been looking at videos on settings, and I honestly feel like I just look so washed out. Like, I look Caucasian, and you know, I'm not really feeling it, so just ignore that. I will get better with the settings over time, but lo siento, I apologize for that. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my slick back bun. So this is my hair before, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I get it super sleek. But before I get started with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I think that's it. So let's get started. Okay you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with water, and this is the key to getting this style super slick. So just spray your hair with water. And after that, I'm going to be going ahead and taking my Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to be looking over here. This is where my mirror is. Move a little closer if I can open it. Why can I open it? Okay, there we go. And I like to do this part in sections. So I take the bottom half of my hair and section it off from the top, and I think when you do it in sections, it just makes your hair a lot sleeker and laid down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the back, and then taking my Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna apply it at the roots and work my way down. And then I'm gonna take a boar bristle brush, or whatever it's called, hard brush, and sleek down the back of my hair. And I mainly only put the gel on the roots, but I do kind of drag it down to the tips of my hair as well. And repeat the same steps on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with a little bit more water. And I use a lot more gel at the top of my hair. So I start out by applying it at my hairline, my edges or whatever, to both sides. My arm is getting tired. I swear I'm so out of shape. And then also I like to apply it on the top as well, and I apply quite a lot on the top. And then don't forget the back middle section of your hair as well. Smooth that down. And then taking the brush, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it. And you really want to take your time with smoothing, because you really want to make sure you get your hair as sleek as possible. And then once my hair is pretty smooth, I'll go ahead and take a scrunchie. I don't use ponytails, I only use scrunchies. And I will tightly lay my hair down into a ponytail, making sure it's as smooth as possible. Yo, my arm is so tired. I'm just like applying that gel and then trying to put it in a ponytail. Honey, I need to go to the gym. Oh God, my arm is tired. Okay, so after that, I like to go ahead and take a scarf and just tie my hair down. So I'm just gonna take this random raggedy scarf. Whew, I'm out of breath. I feel like I just ran a damn marathon. Okay, then after my scarf is tied down, we're gonna go ahead and work on the ponytail. So you can obviously leave it as a ponytail if you would like, but I prefer to make it like a tight bun. So I just go ahead, let me move my scarf a little bit out the way. I just go ahead and spray the ponytail with water. And then I like to add just a little bit of gel to the ponytail as well, to make it a little sleeker, a little easier to work with. And then what I like to do, ooh, some shedding. So what I like to do is just braid the ponytail. And then I usually leave this braided up until maybe like 5 or so minutes. I leave it braided while the top part of my hair is laying flat, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I make the braid into a bun. So BRB. Okay you guys, so I am back. So I let my scarf sit on my head for like 10-ish minutes, and then I have my braid. So all I do, it's super simple. You just wrap it around your ponytail and tuck the end into the ponytail. Like so. And it should look like this when you are done. Also ignore, I don't know if my hair looks like a bunch of different colors in the back because my hair dye is starting to fade, so ignore the ratchetness, but this is what it looks like. And then if you want, you can say, what bitch? You can secure it with bobby pins, which I don't really think I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna lay the sides down a little bit more with bobby pins. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and go like this. Yo, I really feel like I look white. I need to work on my settings because this is not the look I was going for. All right, and that is pretty much it. If you want to, hold please. You can go ahead and spray your hair with some oil just to keep it kind of moisturized. I use the argan oil from Morocco. This is the OGX line. And I just spray it on my hair. And that is all, that is it. Super easy, super cute, super sophisticated or whatever. You a business girl, whatever, you know what I'm trying to show. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. As always, you already know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video if you want to, and I think that's it. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.